Hello, I'm Brian Murray, and I'm the Chief Technology Officer at Dyaco Medical. Today, I'll be introducing our cutting-edge 8 Series medical systems, an innovative solution to accelerate the path to better health and recovery. The 8.0T is a state-of-the-art treadmill system engineered for comprehensive neurological rehabilitation, sports medicine, and cardiac stress testing. So the 8.0T features these full-length handrails with an easy lift gas shock port. The handrails again go the full length of the deck and also off to the back. So when a patient is on the step, they can hold the handrails to mount it or do step compliance. The adjustments for the handrails are very simple. We just have these 2 locks. You can move them in, we can move them out. These 2 locks here, and the handrails can be raised very simply and locked in place. The height and width are made for from pediatrics all the way to 95 percentile athletes or what have you, very tall people. We've made entering the treadmill as easy and safe as possible with the addition of a rear step. The height to the rear step is only 4.7 inches, and then only 4.9 inches to the deck. We've added a locked belt, so when the patient steps on the belt, it is stable, so they are safe as they enter the treadmill. The console on the 8.0T treadmill is mounted on an articulating arm. This allows us to be able to position the console in many different areas for many different sized patients, so they can see it easily. It's also easy for a therapist to be able to program the console off to the side, and also to be able to do it from the front or anywhere around the treadmill. This way, they may want a patient not looking at the console, but focusing on what they're supposed to be doing. We also have these little handles to hold the console and move it about. To streamline the setup process, the treadmill offers various login options, including QR scanning, NFC, PIN code entry, or guest access, catering to the diverse user preferences and security requirements, meeting GDPR and HIPAA compliance standards. For efficient exercise initiation, therapists can press the start button, either physically on the treadmill or through the console interface, to begin the workout without delay. The console control pad features dedicated quick keys for adjusting speed and incline, allowing therapists to conveniently modify these parameters during the exercise session, ensuring a tailored and challenging workout. The treadmill offers a wide range of speed settings, from a gentle 0.1 mile an hour to a challenging 13.75 miles an hour, and it's adjustable in precise 0.1 mile an hour increments. This versatility allows therapists to tailor the workout intensity and target specific muscle groups through forward and reverse motion. The treadmill's lowered motor cover is designed to minimize risk of patient foot kicking it while walking. The low cover also provides the therapist an unobstructed view from the front of the treadmill of the patient's lower body trajectory, allowing for optimal gait assessment. The treadmill's grade or angle of the deck can be adjusted from a decline of minus 12%, which is where we are now, to an incline of plus 25% grade. This feature allows therapists to simulate various terrain conditions and target different muscle groups, enhancing the overall effectiveness of the rehabilitation program. In case of an emergency, the treadmill stop function can be activated, causing the belt to decelerate and come to a complete halt, prioritizing patient safety. The built-in timer on the console serves as a user-friendly function, enabling therapists to set up a quick start program with countdown timer for warm-ups or short exercise sessions. The treadmill's beacon feature utilizes 5 distinct colors to visually indicate heart rate levels, power, or workout progress, which could be time or targets like steps and calories. This visual cue enables therapists to monitor multiple patients simultaneously, even from a distance, ensuring timely intervention when necessary. The 8.0T has a unique feature that allows us to set the acceleration and deceleration of the belt speed. Here, we're in the program, and you can see here it's called speed ramping, and it's the amount of time it takes for the belt to reach a certain speed. So the normal standard timing is set to 3 seconds. 3 seconds is how many seconds it takes for the belt to change speed for 1 kilometer an hour. So in a normal setting, if I press start and have the speed set to 1 kilometer an hour, it's going to take 3 seconds to get there. Now, we can set that acceleration to 1 second. We could do that for rapid speed changes. A lot of times in sports training, you need a fast speed change. Or we can go all the way to 1 minute, where it can take a full minute to reach the set speed. This is a very important feature for a lot of patients that are compromised with their gait or neurological system. It also allows patients that are unfamiliar with a treadmill to feel more comfortable where they don't feel the belt is changing speed too fast on them. It allows them to acclimate to the speed, so we can set that to a nice slow acceleration so they can get to the speed safely. The Safe Step feature ensures the belt only moves when consecutive steps are detected, prioritizing patient safety throughout the exercise routine. The belt will stop if the patient does not continue walking. The treadmill symmetry function measures and compares left and right step lengths, enabling therapists to assess and address any imbalances in the patient's gait. For accurate heart rate monitoring, the patient wears a comfortable wireless chest strap compatible with Bluetooth or ANT+ technology. Proper strap placement is essential for optimal data transmission to the console. The treadmill's deck can be elevated with a special program we've got called Deck Lift. Right now we've got the deck set to a height of a standard stair. So patients are able to do step compliance exercises, knee patients and the like. We can also, and we can increase this range to be able to do PNF exercises and plyometric exercises. It's a very handy tool to be able to help patients with limited range of motion and step issues. Raising the deck allows therapists to adopt a more ergonomic, upright position, reducing strain on the lower back and spine during locomotion therapy. Simple unweighting can also be achieved using the lift program. Next, I'm going to introduce you to all of the new features, benefits, programs, and testing that we have incorporated into our new tablet consoles. We've made navigating our console as simple and easy as possible. In the home page, when you open the console, you end up here. You enter patient's age, weight, and height. And then we have different groups of programs. We have patterns, we have targets, and we have tests. So if we go to the patterns, that section, we have fixed pattern programs, such as standard exercise like hill. And then we also have a customizable facility program. The next section of programs are targets. Now here we're able to enter a target for our exercise session, starting with distance. So we can enter 1 kilometer. The program will run for 1 kilometer, and when it's over, the program's over. We also have a vertical program, which is simulating if you're at incline, how high vertically do you want to go? We have METs, metabolic rates. We have calorie target. We have a heart rate target. And then we have a step target where you can enter, say, 5,000 steps, and then the program will do 5,000 steps. In any of these target programs, our beacon will also be operating to show where you are in your target program. Then in our test section, these are all of the various treadmill tests that are standard out there in the industry and are used for so many different types of patients or conditions. We have a Gherkin protocol, we have a Wi-Fi protocol, we have the Army, all the military protocols, we have a Coast Guard, the Marines, CTT Performance, CTT Prediction, that is a UK-based fireman protocol. We have standard A-strand rhyming, we have the Balke Ware, the Bruce protocol, Naughton, modified Naughton, and we have a Conconi test. Then we also have our stress test. So when you're connected to a stress test system, we run this program for cardiac patients.